He's got a camera. Beckett, where's the tree? Tree. Where's your shoe? Where's your shoe? Where's your other shoe? What happened? Uh-oh. Should Mommy put your other shoe on? On? Shoe. Where's Beckett's shoe? Yeah. Does Beckett want more eggs?
What does Beckett listen with? What does Beckett listen with?
Choo-choo.
Bye-bye, choo-choo.
Bye-bye, choo-choo.
Wind.
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 And tree? Where's the tree?
Tree. Wind.
Wind. Wind's in your hair.
Tree.
Tree. What color is the tree?
Tree.
What color?
Yeah.
What color?
Green.
Green. What color is the house?
Hi.
House. What color?
Yellow.
Good Beckett.
Beckett,
Blue. That's right. The bowl is blue.
Beckett, who's going to be the next president?
Mama.
Huh. Is that spoon? No eggs? Beans? Do you want beans? Eggs and beans? No. Uh-oh. Can you put it back in the bowl? Good, Beckett. What about some juice? Juice? Can you say juice? Juice?
What's that? What's that?
What's that, Beckett?
TV.
Airplane. Airplane. Mommy's gonna go. Oh, there it is. Mommy's going in an airplane on Monday. Bye-bye, airplane. Bye-bye. You still got your bagel? Bagel. Beckett's had a good breakfast. Oh my God, his hair is so silly. It's like Shirley. Can you say, I look like Shirley Temple?
Bye-bye.
Yes. Bye-bye, airplane. Bye-bye, airplane. Bye-bye. Mwah. Mwah. He's trying to kiss Daddy too. Can you kiss Daddy too? Can you give Daddy a kiss? The camera. The camera, Beckett. Mwah. Mwah. Look at him trying to make his face.